As demand for efficient and eco-friendly transportation grows, more riders are turning traditional bicycles into high-performance e-bikes. Just like typists and tamers appreciate the right switches, layout, and build quality, e-bike users value smooth power delivery, reliable components, and overall riding comfort.
List number 1. Vevor 1000 watts electric bike conversion kit. The Vevor 1000 watts electric bike conversion kit is an excellent option for anyone looking to transform their existing bike into a fast, responsive e-bike. This rear-wheel hub motor kit delivers robust 1000 watts power, capable of reaching impressive top speeds suitable for commuting or recreational rides. The motor arrives pre-assembled into the wheel, simplifying installation even for beginners. Vevor includes an intelligent controller with multiple riding modes, allowing you to shift between pedal assist and full throttle depending on terrain or riding preference. The LCD display is bright and easy to read, providing real-time speed, power usage, and battery status. One standout feature is the durability of the wheel build. Double-layered aluminum rims offer stability and efficient power transfer. Riders appreciate the smooth acceleration curve, which reduces strain on the chain and gears. The included brake levers with motor cutoff add safety by immediately stopping power when braking. Though the kit does not include a battery, it supports 48-volt systems, giving users flexibility to choose their preferred capacity.
List number 2. Yosi Power 500 watt e-bike conversion kit with 48-volt 13am battery for freewheel. The Yosi Power 500 watt e-bike conversion kit is one of the most polished and user-friendly kits available, ideal for commuters and casual riders. The inclusion of a 48-volt 13am battery immediately adds value, eliminating the need to buy separate components. The system is fully waterproof, making it dependable in rainy or muddy conditions, perfect for year-round cyclists. The 500-watt rear hub motor provides a balanced mix of speed, torque, and efficiency. It delivers enough power for steep inclines while remaining energy efficient for long-distance trips. The battery typically offers 40 to 60 kilometers per charge, depending on riding mode, and its smart BMS ensures stable power output and long lifespan. Installation is straightforward thanks to Yosi Power's well-designed plug-and-play connectors. All cables are color-coded and the waterproof housings ensure long-term reliability. Riders appreciate how quiet the motor operates, creating a smooth, natural pedaling experience.
List number 3. 26-inch rear-wheel hub electric bike conversion kit. This 26-inch rear-wheel hub conversion kit is a versatile and budget-friendly solution, ideal for riders who prefer simplicity and durability. Featuring a classic hub motor design, it provides steady, reliable assistance without excessive complexity. While wattage varies by configuration, typically 500 watts to 1000 watts, most versions offer enough torque for daily commuting and moderate hill climbing. The wheel arrives pre-built with a sturdy alloy rim, ensuring durability and smooth rotation. Installation involves replacing the rear wheel and connecting the controller, throttle, and pedal assist sensor. Because the system uses a straightforward hub design, there is minimal maintenance required, making it a great entry-level kit for first-time e-bike builders. Riders enjoy consistent and stable power delivery, making it suitable for city rides, school commutes, or leisure cycling. The controller usually includes multiple assist levels and supports both thumb and twist throttles, giving flexibility in riding style. An LCD screen adds convenience by showing speed, distance, battery level, and system warnings. This kit does not include a battery, allowing you to choose one that matches your preferred riding range and voltage. Brake levers with safety cutoff are usually included, enhancing rider security on busy streets.
List number 4. Bafang Electric Bike Conversion Kit Mid-Motor BBS HD 48-volt 1000 watt. The Bafang BBS HD 1000 watt mid-drive kit is considered one of the most powerful and premium conversion kits available. Unlike hub motors, this mid-drive system connects directly to the bike's crankset, delivering exceptional torque and efficient power transfer, ideal for mountain biking, heavy cargo loads, and steep climbing. With 1,000-watt output and peak power exceeding 1,500 watts, the HD is engineered for riders who want serious performance. The motor's placement at the bike's center improves balance and handling, creating a natural riding feel. Bafang's sophisticated controller allows smooth acceleration and responsive pedal assist, giving you a refined experience not found in cheaper kits. The kit includes a high-quality LCD display, throttle, speed sensor, and all mounting hardware. Installation requires more mechanical skill than hub motor kits, but the improved performance is worth the effort. Riders praise its quiet operation, impressive torque, and excellent heat management, which allows extended rides without power loss. This kit does not include a battery, but pairs best with 48-volt or 52-volt high-capacity packs for maximum output. It's suitable for mountain bikes, fat bikes, and cargo bikes where torque is a priority.
List number 5. NB Power 3000-watt conversion kit, 135mm dropouts, 48-volt to 72-volt, 3000-watt e-bike conversion kit, 100 km/h speed. The NB Power 3000-watt conversion kit is a powerhouse designed for extreme performance enthusiasts who want motorcycle-level speed and acceleration. Built for 135mm dropout frames, this kit delivers an incredible 3,000 watts of continuous power and supports up to 100 km/h under the right battery and controller setup. This is not a casual commuting kit. It's engineered for thrill seekers and off-road riders. The heavy-duty rear hub motor offers massive torque, making it suitable for steep hills, rugged trails, and high-speed straightaways. The controller handles 48 to 72-volt systems, giving riders flexibility to achieve different performance levels. With a 72-volt battery, the kit reaches its maximum potential and delivers explosive acceleration. Despite its extreme power, installation remains similar to standard hub motor kits. Replace the rear wheel, secure the controller, and connect the wiring. The rim is reinforced to handle high-speed stress, and the kit typically includes throttle, e-brakes, torque arm, and wiring accessories. This system is best suited for strong frames such as downhill, fat tire, or custom builds. Safety gear, including full-face helmets and heavy-duty brakes, is highly recommended due to the top speed capabilities.